Hello? Who's there?
This is creepy. Let's go.
What are you?
I know we're friends, but there's something I've been meaning to ask you. Would you like to go out sometime?
Depends. Where do you want to go? So, tell us, who's the lucky girl?
There is no lucky girl, okay?
You mean you've fallen in love with yourself?
I thought that was something only Neil did.
Very funny. Come on, you can tell us. What are friends for?
Hi, guys.
Atlanta? Dude, you're making a big mistake.
No, listen, I've been picking up signals. I think she likes me.
She may like you, but she's totally unavailable.
Arch, don't take it personally, but no guy has a chance with her. Check it out. Biggest party of the year. Music by yours truly. Half price for the ladies. Just tell them Phil invited you.
What's with that guy?
He's the new kid that just arrived. Goes by the name of DJ Panic.
How can a guy who looks that bad be such a chick magnet?
Because in case you didn't know, girls are interested in more than just looks. They prefer someone who radiates excitement.
Oh, like you, for example.
Party time, gentlemen. Thanks. See you there.
Sure.
Have you ever seen anyone become so popular so fast? I know.
Ladies, consider this a personal invitation to my concert.
Atlanta and I were just talking about how this school could use a good party. Hey, this is a benefit for the Green Alliance? I volunteer for them all the time.
Really? You know, of all the environmental groups, it's the one I respect the most.
Me too.
Would you mind helping me hand out these flyers? The more people who know about the show, the more money we can raise for the Alliance.
Yeah, sure. Absolutely.
I always figured Atlanta would have higher standards.
They're just sitting together. It doesn't mean they're dating.
Hey, we should be happy that Atlanta has finally met someone.
Yeah, well, I think I'd make a better DJ than him. I mean, just look at me. I'm handsome, personable, and coordinated beyond belief.
Hey, check it out. Way to scratch, DJ Neil.
Hi, Atlanta. Listen, I've been meaning to ask you something.
Atlanta, conference call? What's the story with you and Phil? I really like him. He's smart, cool, and he's totally into the same thing as me. I've never seen you act like this before. That's because I've never felt like this before. Hey, Phil, can you sign this for me?
Sure, no problem. Here you go. Guys, I gotta run. Maybe we can hook up later.
That dude needs to work on his exits.
Hey, he left a CD.
I'm gonna give this a listen, see what he's all about. Thanks for the use of your stereo, Apollo.
No problem.
Hey, what is this? It's got feet and it's definitely danceable. Who did you say it was by?
Phil. I mean, DJ Panic. New kid at school.
Aren't you jealous because Atlanta really likes him?
It's nothing. I just think it's weird, that's all. The guy shows up and everyone thinks he's the coolest thing that ever lived.
Well, he's obviously a talented musician.
True enough. I'll give him that.
Whoa! Okay, what's that all about?
Music shouldn't grow on you that quickly.
That's crazy. I haven't danced since I was 5.
DJ Panic. He reminds me of someone I haven't seen in a while.
Who?
No, it couldn't be. You say his name is Phil?
Yeah?
I wonder if your friend Phil knows the true meaning of panic.
Odie.
No problem. I'll deal with this. Time to test these filters out.
Huh? What's that? That's strange.
What's that frequency anomaly doing in the music?
I wrote this tune after reading this book. It's about the overuse of pesticides and how mankind's been poisoning the Earth's water supply.
Well, at least you're doing something about it.
The music is really flowing tonight. Maybe I've finally found my muse.
I just hope when you become famous that you'll still have your ideals.
I'll remember everything and everyone who is important to me.
Did they fire the gardener or something? The school grounds are a mess.
I know, it's like this everywhere. It's weird.
Speaking of weird,
Hey, guys.
looks like someone's too busy to be with her friends.
That's okay by me. I'm just glad she's found someone.
Yeah, but it's kind of fast, don't you think?
So, when are we gonna snoop?
Count me out.
I'm free tonight.
Huh?
Neil's got a point. Nobody even knows the guy.
Great, then let's do it.
I'm getting weird vibes from this place.
T, that's because it is a weird place. What? Huh? What's this? Whoa! Oh, that's creepy.
You're telling me. The guy is such a slime ball.
Maybe I've finally found my muse.
That is so wrong.
That clinches it. I am definitely becoming a DJ now.
We've got to tell Atlanta.
I'd rather you didn't.
You stay away from Atlanta, you creep.
Whoa, dude. Just stick to spinning records. You have no singing voice.
Now that I have your attention.
Man, this is strange.
Atlanta, have you seen Teresa or Neil? I've been trying to radio them, but no answer.
Sorry, we've been kind of busy with other things.
Yeah, real busy. Come on, we've got a concert to set up.
Arch, take it easy. Oh, I say we put a stop to his show.
The guy is raising a pile of money. If we do anything to sabotage that concert, we're the ones who are gonna look like fools. Come on, let's see if Odie's found anything on that CD. Hey, have you seen Teresa and Neil?
Not since yesterday.
Let's check inside. By showing the worst examples of clear-cut logging and pollution, I can really get the message across.
It's a great idea.
What's wrong?
I was hoping Teresa would be here.
Who?
Teresa, my friend.
Atlanta, please, I don't have time for your friends right now.
I think I need to take a walk. I'm going to take a walk.
What are you looking at?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Oh.
Hey, guys, guess what?
Well, I'm guessing Persephone is gonna lose it when she sees this.
No kidding. What you got, Odie?
Our first line of defense.
An earplug?
Jay, a little more credit, please.
I think that's been invented already.
There's definitely some hypnotic frequency embedded in Phil's music. I spliced a subsonic filter into these earplugs that'll keep us from becoming dance partners.
What about the plants? How's that happening?
Still working on that one.
I'm more worried about Teresa and Neil right now. Harry thinks they went to Phil's house last night. Come on, let's track down Phil and find out what's going on.
We've got to find a way down from here.
Geez, you think so?
Yes, because I have to go to the bathroom.
Go find Atlanta. Harry and I will try and find Teresa and Neil.
Here, I brought some subsonic filters for Atlanta to counter the neural effect of music.
I'll just tell her they're earplugs, okay?
Odie, can you shut this concert down?
Sure thing.
I don't know what Phil's up to, but whatever it is, it's not gonna happen.
Atlanta, are you okay?
Listen, you won't believe this, but your boyfriend's music is causing a lot of bad things to happen.
What? What's going on? There's something wrong with Phil. He's got these... Whoa.
Come on, sit down over here. It's okay, I'll take care of her.
No, wait. He's got what? What's Phil got?
Let's kick this jam into overtime!
And then, I noticed that he had these horns right on his head.
Horns? That makes no sense.
Wait, didn't Apollo say he thought he recognized him?
Yeah, but how would he know DJ Panic?
He said something about Phil knowing the true meaning of panic.
Panic? The word's Greek. It comes from the demigod, Pan.
You mean, as in Pan, the god of the forest?
I hope you're all enjoying the party! Because it's the last one you'll ever see. Teresa! Neil! That's right, nature lovers! Tonight, nature strikes back! Gotta get them out of here, away from the music.
Cover your ears and run!
Odie, we've got to turn this music off.
The generator! I'm all over it!
Can we still get to it?
I'll deal with it! You going to take on Pan?
Pan, it's so nice to have a captive audience.
Phil, Pan, why are you doing this?
Because you did this.
Some of us are trying to change things.
It's too late.
No, it's not. Please.
Atlanta!
Archie!
That's Phil?
It's Pan. But this isn't right. He's not an evil god.
Yeah, right.
No, he's supposed to be like a hippie.
I don't like hippies.
Man, I was never much into gardening.
Ow. Maybe you should try it.
Whack myself into a tree? I don't think so.
Neil, we could die up here.
Wait, Teresa. I have a nail file in my pocket.
What? Why didn't you say so?
Well, I thought it was the vine jabbing me in the... Ow! Now what? Oh, that'll work.
Pan, listen to me. You don't have to do this.
Archie, you don't look scared of me. It's time you learned the true meaning of panic.
No keys. No problem.
Wait a minute, shouldn't we...
Come on, let's get to that concert.
What about the others?
They're fine. We can get them down later.
I've seen worse. Come on. It's just the plan.
Ew!
And it spits acid. Okay.
Why couldn't he just have pyro effects like other musicians?
Time to pull the plug.
Cronus? Oh, now it all makes sense. Pan's been hypnotized by Cronus somehow. Pan.
The music still in my head. Wow, some concert.
Yeah, it looks like we missed a great party. Are you gonna be okay?
How did it go? Good. Those guys that were up in the vines with Neil and Teresa are home safe. That's strange. They don't remember much.
Might be from prolonged exposure to the music.
I don't remember half of what Atlanta has told me. It's certainly something I'd like to forget. Again, I'm sorry.
I made a few mistakes as well. You know, like falling for the wrong guy, alienating my friends, and helping someone almost destroy mankind. Where will you go?
Don't worry. I have things to do, and places to go where Cronus can't find me. What's to say we won't meet again? I'm sure Hera would like to have a few words with me about all this. Which is another good reason to get out of here.
You know, all this talk about nature got me thinking. Maybe I'll drop by one of those Green Alliance meetings.
Really? I don't think they'll let dorks like you join.
He doesn't have a chance.